That Ferris wheel, now that we're getting closer, it is huge. It's like night and day difference. That's what you say, right? And they just set up the fireworks, and now people just milling about. So you got a big old crowd today. All right, Ludette, we got to go outside one more time. This is the promenade. That is the promenade. Promenade means walkway or something like that. Right, this right here is picture worthy. All right, we got to get a picture of this.
This famous Gordon Ramsay. So he has a fish and chips here. And if you do watch Food Network, yum, look at the fries. Oh my gosh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my god. Forget about diet if you're coming here. Oh my god, that is so delicious. I want some. That fries. Baby, we need to come back here and try their fries. Flamingo and palm tree. Perfect combination. I love sugar. I love sugar. Oh, candies. Sweet. Oh my god, that's a huge lollipop, John. I think I'm gonna finish this in a year. Can we get one? I just love the container.
All right, we're about halfway done through this promenade. It's actually a lot longer than I realized. Needs a museum, Ludette. You could just post here. All right, so nice open space in here in the middle. Like Harley Davidson, Havaianas, American, In-N-Out burgers. No trespassing inside of water. That Ferris wheel, now that we're getting closer, it is huge. I had no idea it was that big. From a distance, you really can't tell, huh? We're gonna have to do this one day, Ludette. Ice bar. Why waste my electricity when I can waste someone else's? Even though I'm in the shadows, like a ninja. It's hot, I'm sweating from the inside out. No, let's keep going. This is what we came here for. We said we would go all the way, we go all the way. Star Wars? All right, you have my attention. Oh, so it's sunglasses. Star Wars sunglasses. Seriously, you think that extra is a employee uniform? No way. Beyond maybe the brand, would you even know they're Star Wars glasses?
This is a cartoon, right?
That is so small, you wouldn't even know. Oh, I can't even see it on the camera.
Right?
It's that small.
Very hidden.
Right there,
Yeah. Oh my god.
Although that being said, I would totally buy a Captain America watch more than Rolex, because that's how I roll. By the way, they do actually have zip lines out here too, so you can zip across this whole promenade, which I think is longer than the one that they have downtown. Nobody's doing it right now though, so I'm guessing it's just too effing hot. And this is where the tram comes by too. All right, y'all. That is the whole promenade. Hey, you know what? Not. Let's just walk back the other way. Why not? All right. Even though those misters seem like a good idea, it's so hot out here. I don't even feel this water coming down at all. It's quite literally evaporating into the sky. This hat is a lifesaver, yo.
Did you show them my hat?
I did. Show them your hat, baby. All right, another one of these Las Vegas trinkets gift shops. 2 t-shirts for $35. So do not recommend buying here. Oh, you never know, this is the first time through. One of this candy shop on the outside. Spells love. I love diabetes. What's up, y'all? It's your Master Lee.
And Lulu.
All right, we are at the LINQ Promenade. About 9 o'clock at night. Figure it's a nice time for a stroll. It is crazy out here today. Why? Because it's 4th of July and they just set up the fireworks and now people just milling about. So you got a A big old crowd today. Survive getting out of there. Now we've been here during the day. At night it's so much better. First off, during the day, 100+ degrees out here sucks. Even with the misters on, even with the shade, life is miserable. Now it's just awesome. The weather is perfect, balmy, even cool, I even say, which is a little unusual. Vegas, it's not unheard of to be like 90+ degrees even at night. So it can be still stifling. So yeah, if you see folks out here dressed in the American flag, waving with the red, white, and blue, 4th of July weekend. Yeah, because for sure, the folks out here today, definitely these are not just locals. Local yokels like us. These are all tourists. Folks from out of town. Happening out here, huh?
I don't feel like I'm in Vegas at night.
It feels like one of those fake streets that Disney would create.
Yeah, like Disney.
Man, it is a lot of people out here, huh, folks? It's crazy. Ooh, even the water fountain's nicer at night. They got colors. That there's pretty. Although, you gotta admit, I don't think it's just this place. Vegas, during the day versus night, it's like night and day difference. That's what you say, right? At night, Vegas is just beautiful. During the day, not so much. And unfortunately, getting hotter. Why does this sound like Star Wars but country?
Whoa, that's cool.
High Rollers is now open. The zip line. I think during the day it's just too freaking hot. They're probably afraid that if people are zipping across, that by the time they get to one side, they're going to be like cooked like shish kebab. By the way, I got a trick for you all right? Drinks along the strip, super expensive. Crazy expensive. My recommendation is get like a drink from someplace nearby in the middle, right? Like a McDonald's, or in this case, Buddy's, which is a Jersey-based type of eatery in the LINQ, because you can get refills there. So as you're walking down the strip and you come back, you're probably going to have it, emptied up in your cup, and you're thirsty. And the idea here is get your free refill then. What I don't recommend you do is get one of those big old tall frozen margarita cups during the day. At night, perfectly fine. But during the day, it is so hot, and alcohol dehydrates you even further, and you're just going to get plastered so much faster. So, just, word of caution. You're in Vegas, do what you want. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, you ain't going to listen to me. I'm just saying, better to do that at night. All right, folks, we're back at the Flamingo. Down that way takes you to the Strip. That's about it for us. We're going to head on to the Flamingo. Hope you guys enjoy this walking tour. We will catch you next time. If you're ever out here in Vegas, peace out.